Alright, so here we are again, ready to unveil the egg out of the egglet. This is hard to do with one hand. Alright, so it's got these little feet on the bottom that sit nicely into the pot so it doesn't tip over, but it also helps you sort of grip it to take the lid off. Not really. Alright, so what we got inside here, I was going for a soft yolky center. You take the spoon and sort of scoop it around. You're supposed to spray the inside of it with a cooking spray. I use coconut oil. Seemed to work pretty well, and it actually just pops right out of there. Didn't really have to scoop it out at all. If you take a look at that, I think that looks pretty good. So we're going to cut into it over this piece of toast here. I'm expecting a yellow. This isn't a fork, so I'm not going to use that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful yolky center. So this was 8 minutes on a medium boil, and I actually let it rest. I turned the burner off and let it rest still in the water for about a minute, and this is what I got here. Still a little hard, but mostly yolky, and that's just how I like it. Oh, that didn't cut the way I thought it would. So I'm just gonna take this whole guy right here. Alright. I recommend a little salt. I forgot to put the salt on, but otherwise, yeah, perfect. And this is the Egglet, the as seen on TV product. I got it at Walgreens for $10 or $9.99, something like that. And I think it's a pretty good product. Yeah. All right. See you next time.